Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode question and sort of talk myself through the thinking of the problem, how talking through my the way that I problem solve the question. So the one that I'm going to be doing today is an easy one because I've not got a whole lot of time. It's 1672 richest customer wealth. So you've got a nested list here in Python. Or like an array list, same thing. So it's an array with arrays inside it. So you've got an m by n or integer array accounts where I of j is the money in each account. So this is I of j. This is like each one of these is like the money someone has in the jith bank. So this would be like bank 1, bank 2, bank 3. And then this would be like customer 1. Return the wealth that the richest customer has. A customer's wealth is the amount of money that they have in all their bank accounts. The richest customer is the customer that has the maximum wealth. Okay, so in this 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Customer 1 has 6, like pounds we'll say. Customer 2 has 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 as well. The maximum is 6, so return 6. Same here, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, 5 plus 3 is 8, so the max is 10. And same here, 17 is also the max out of these. There's constraints here as well, but I don't think these sort of apply to us because we don't really, I think these constraints are more for low level languages. Don't think it's really applicable to Python. So I'm just going to switch over to my notes. So I actually did do this question, but I didn't hit the record button, so I'm going to have to do it again. But I am going to try and come up with a different solution this time. So previously I just looked through every customer, found out how much they had, added it to a list called wealths, and then find the max wealth out of that list. But I think I'm gonna do it slightly differently. I'm gonna loop through each customer, but I'm gonna have a max variable. Have a max variable set to 0 initially. Okay. Then loop through each customer, sum up, find out, same here, you're going to find out how much they have across each bank combined. If it's greater than max, set max to that customer's wealth. And then you're going to return wealth. So I think this is going to be the new sort of solution I'm going to go with. So I'm just going to paste it into here and then comment it out so I can reference it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my max variable, max wealth is equal to 0. Loop through each customer, so for customer and accounts, find out how much they have in each bank combined. Current wealth is equal to the sum of customer, because customer is like this whole array, so find the sum. And then we're going to do if current wealth is greater than max wealth, max wealth is equal to current wealth. And then we're going to return max wealth at the bottom here. So let's run this and see if it works with the 3 test cases. Yep. So let's try submitting this. I'm going to take out the comments. And accepted. There we go. And so that is that question done. Thank you very much for watching. If you watched the whole video, I hope this proved as a useful resource for someone if you haven't done the question. And if you want to discuss this question in the comments, please do. I love discussing these questions, and if there's any alternate or like better solution, there's probably like hundreds of better ways that this could have been done. So please leave a comment so that I can discuss the problem with anyone. It'd be greatly appreciated. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.